Mummy, my tooth has come out at last. Oh, that's good. If you put it under your pillow tonight, the tooth fairy might bring you something nice for it. Now go and play. I've had a hard day at the lab and I need a break. Okay, laters. Have you cleaned your teeth? Yes. Good. Then put that tooth under your pillow for the fairy. Good night. I wish I didn't have thousands of 2D sample tubes that don't scan properly. It's turning into a nightmare. I'm really tired. I'm going to bed. I've got a long day tomorrow trying to read all those tube racks. I'll never read all these. Ah! Oh no, what a nightmare. I should have bought a Ziath reader. Hold on, I have an idea. Where is that tooth? I'll just have to make a wish. Look what the tooth fairy brought to me. A Ziath mirage. Hooray! He'll never know. Yes! It really does work, and it's so fast. It even reads my old badly printed tubes. The Ziath Mirage is fast, robust and reliable, with AI-driven software, patented optics, state-of-the-art electronics, and our proprietary decode algorithm. It can read every 2D coded tube on the market, quickly and accurately. Don't rely on fairy stories for your tube reader. Ask for a quote today, or visit our website at www.ziath.com.